What's going on, everyone? Super exciting day because we just hit 70,000 miles. Yes, Roxy just hit 70,000 miles. So you know what that means. It's time for an update. Time to make some changes to the car, get the car running a little bit better, run a little bit faster, and move forward. Time to add on to this build. Alright, so just getting off work and the weather is great. It's fantastic, sun shining, hardly any clouds in the sky. So I think the first thing we're going to do is wash the car today, and then I'll go over all the updates since the last video. Got a few new things I want to talk about, and then I'll go over the changes that are going to be made here in the near future. So I'm going to go ahead and drive home, get the car washed, and proceed with the updates. So, like I said before, we're 70,000 miles in, and the car's been running great, but it is time to make it run better. So, I recently ordered a custom tune from Beach Dyno. I got the email yesterday saying that my tune was in. It is just a base tune, so I'm gonna have to do a couple of data logs and get a couple of revisions, I guess. I don't know how it works, but we're gonna get started doing that. Alright, y'all, so in the middle of getting that tune loaded, gotta get some lighting, my boy Ty rolled up.
What's good, everybody?
Now, Ty's been on the channel before, back when I was doing the whole fitness thing. I don't know if you guys remember him. I'm gonna plug his channel below, so go ahead and subscribe to him. And you guys have never seen Ty's car. This thing is freaking beast, right? So Ty has a yellow S550 2016, 2016 model, and today we're putting some new meat on this thing. I'm not gonna show you the wheels yet because I don't know if Ty's doing a wheel reveal on his channel. So head on over to his channel and see what he's got planned. But we're gonna get started swapping these wheels out. Those are the old wheels. You saw on those. But this car is freaking fast. So go check out Ty's channel. So, pro tire changing tip. When you get new wheels, you don't want to scratch them up. Take your wheel lug, whatever you're using, take some tape, wrap it around the wheel, keep you from scratching up your nice new wheels. So, getting ready to wrap this really quick to get these new wheels put on Ty's car.
Let's go.
Day 36. No food, no water. It's just car washing stuff, oil change. Oh, buddy. Ooh, oof, ooh. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's nice. That's quality right there, boy. That's quality.
Alright, so we got Ty's wheels on. Figure we might as well go on and wash the cars while we're at it. Got the pressure washer set up, got the foam cannon, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set you guys up on time lapse, and we're gonna get these cars washed.
It's gonna be real clean, man. Real clean.
So Ty's wheels are on, he just rolled out, we got both cars washed. Now it's time for me to get back to loading that tune. Like I said, the tune is a custom tune from Beach Dyno, so be sure to go on their website and check them out. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to load the tune to your SCT if you have an SCT, because that's what I'm using. And then we will flash the tune to the car, get a couple data logs, send the data logs back to Beach Dyno, and if everything's good to go, they'll give me the okay. If not, they'll send a revision, and so on and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright everyone, so to load a custom tune onto your SCT, what you would have to do is to open the device updater, I guess that's what you would call it, and I'll show you what that looks like. you go into your little folder here, and it is the SCT device updater. And I'm sorry I don't have a screen recorder. Maybe I can look into getting one of those for you guys, but I don't do too much stuff on the computer. So you open up your device updater, and I've already done that. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go into your email and you're gonna save the file to your desktop, which I've also done that. Also, you're gonna plug in your SCT and you're gonna hit load custom tune file, right? So you click load custom tune file and this screen will pop up. You're gonna browse and you're gonna pull up the file for your tune that you saved. So mine is on desktop. We're gonna go desktop here and then we're gonna open that. Right, so now here it is, Palm Beach Dyno 92 R2A. That's my tune. And I want to add that to my device. Now over here, it will display any tunes that you have already. And as you see, I don't have any custom tunes. Everything was pre-programmed, whatever was on my device before that I was running. So we're gonna add the Palm Beach Dyno 93 R2A tune to the device. Just like that. Now we're gonna press program and it will save the tune to the device. So down here, you can see my little mouse cursor. It is programming the custom tune. You see it loading, and it will let you know when it is done. So like you guys see, we're doing this in real time. Nothing is sped up and it's going pretty quickly. Another few seconds. Now it is complete. And you see there it took probably about 20 seconds. Custom tune complete. Now we can exit or close out everything and whatever. Our tune is on the device. Alright, so here we are back outside in the Mustang. Look at that mirror finish, man. Nice and clean. I can see myself. Look at that. You guys see that? Big shout out to Todd for helping me wash it. Alright, so now here we are back in the Mustang. I already got the device plugged into the car's OBD port. And we're going to program vehicle. Just give me a second. Gotta switch hands here. Alright, so we're gonna program vehicle. Let's get some focus here. Program vehicle, continue, not street use, yada yada yada. Processing, turn the key to on. So, find the key. And we are gonna cut the car to on. We're not gonna start it. Wait a second, cut the AC off. Go ahead and close the door so it's not constantly beeping at me. Roll the windows down. It is really hot out today. Alright, so now we're going to continue. And we're processing the data. And now you see engine preloaded tunes 5.0 Mustang. We are going to drop down to Palm Beach Dyno 93A tune, the tune that we just loaded from the computer. We are processing the data. This may take some time. And this will disable the preloaded tune because it gives you some just a lot of different stuff for you reading. We're gonna confirm. Load preload tune. It doesn't give me any adjustable options, so I'm not able to change anything. And we're gonna continue. It's preparing to transfer it. Turn key to on, and you will hear it come on and go.
For the summer of 2019, that's right, man.
And that was my radio coming on because it just reset everything. So now it is unlocking the processor. It's setting up now. And this is the part that will take a few minutes, so I'm going to skip through this. Alright, so what I really appreciate about Palm Beach Dyno is that they give you all the resources that you need to load this tune and to do your data logging. So if you've never done this before, they include a link and instructions on how to do it, and they give you all the config files, everything you need to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and click on this here. It's gonna take us to another page. And if we scroll down, it shows us the software, the STC Live Link software that we're gonna need to install. Further down, they give you a link. Let's see if I can find it to install it. Maybe I passed it. the live link software right there, and as you can't see it, but it's installing right now, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to set up your data link, load your config files, and it also has a config file down here at the bottom which you'll need to do your data logging. It has one for auto, one for manual. Choose according to which transmission you have. Okay, so we're gonna set up the live link software, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so now we're back, and I actually forgot a step. What you have to do, you have to go into the instructions where they send you the instructions. You have to download a config file. There's one for auto, there's one for manual, so make sure you download the right one for your transmission. After you check your communication and everything comes up, you hit load config. Okay, now make sure you remember where you saved it. I made a little folder and called it Mustang config file, and we're going to open this configuration. And now here we are. So what we're ready to do now, we are ready to start the log. So we're gonna come back over here. I lost the instructions, so I gotta pull it back up. So just bear with me. Alright, so just quickly reading over the instructions. Now we are ready to start the log, and the first thing it asks for is an idle log. So there's a little square. I don't know if you can see my cursor. There's a little square here. We're ready to start the log. The car has been running for a little while, so it's nice and warm. And we're gonna start this log, and we're gonna let it idle for 3 minutes. Now there's a timer on the log, and we're gonna start the log, and it should be logging now. So it says please wait, and we're gonna let this log for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna stop the camera now, and when I'm done, I'll be back with you guys. Now I'm not gonna stop it right now, but when you get ready to stop it, there is a little square up here, a little red square, and it says stop log. Okay, stop data logging. So that is what you will use to stop the log. So when this is done, it's got my time right here going. I'm at 25 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this log, and when it gets to 3 minutes, I will stop it. Alright, so we are just about at 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and we are going to stop the data log now, right at 3 minutes. Alright, so we want to save this data log, okay? And we want to make sure we save all of it. So we're gonna hit save and hit save all. Make sure you hit save all, not save view. It's gonna show you a file, documents, and I wanna save it in the same file where I put my config file in. So I'm gonna scroll down, we're gonna save it in here. It's gonna be data log 1. It says data log 1. I'm gonna rename it to idle, data log 1 idle. Alright, so that way when I send it to my tuner, Trevor at Beach Dyno, he knows exactly what it is. And we're gonna save that. Okay? So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start another data log, and this is gonna be the rev log. So, we're gonna load a new config. Well, we might not have to, let's see. So, we stopped that at 3 minutes. We're gonna start another log, and on this one, I have to log at 1500, 2000, 2500, and 3000 RPM. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera, and I'm gonna get those logs. Alright, so the rev log is complete, and that was probably the harder of the two logs to get. So I'm gonna go inside, and I'm gonna send these logs in to Trevor at Palm Beach Dyno. And I said Palm Beach Dyno a lot because I really trust these guys, and I want you guys to go and check them out. And no, I am not sponsored in any way. I paid for this tune just to let you guys know all that. But like I said, I'm gonna go inside, send these tunes off. Trevor will be emailing me back here soon, and we will get this thing going. Alright everyone, so I got the data logs done, got them sent in. And now just to go over a few updates of what's new with the car since it's hit 70,000 miles. Nothing's really new with the car. A few minor issues with the Barton shifter. It rattles a lot while we're driving, and I'll do a video on that later. The only thing that I did add new, I added a McLeod stainless steel clutch line, and I will show you guys that really quickly. So I don't know if you could see that down in there, but that is the McLeod stainless steel braided clutch line. Super easy install. I was gonna do a video on it, but you know, I just went on, did the install, got it out the way. Review on that coming later. Other than that, nothing else is new. There's the current mods. If you're new to the channel, it is a Steto cold air intake. Down up under there, you can't see it, but it has a UPR X pipe, off-road X pipe. In the rear, I have BMR lower control arms, which you can kind of see down there. Painted brake calipers that I did myself, and like I just said, the Barton Hybrid 3 short throw shifter with the flat stick, custom engraved with the Coyote logo, on the shift ball. Lots of things coming. Just loaded the custom tune, waiting to hear back after the data logs are reviewed. So hopefully sometime soon we'll have this thing up and running, and this is where I'm going to end the video. So until the next time, guys, everybody take care. I can't seem to talk today. So until the next time, everybody take care, and you know, keep on going. You know, do what you guys do. Thanks for watching.